Love yourself, start with acceptance, embrace your imperfect self, whether you are often trapped by your own shortcomings, but ignore these imperfections is our uniqueness. There is no need to be an enemy of yourself. Accepting imperfection is the starting point of loving yourself. Recognizing your own shortcomings is the beginning of growth. When you look at yourself with empathy, the voice of criticism will naturally subside. Loving yourself is not pride, but the first step to understanding the uniqueness of your life. When you look at your heart with kindness, those painful emotions are no longer harmful and become the starting point for growth. When the heart is full of compassion and acceptance, difficulties can also be regarded as opportunities. The process of loving yourself is the process of reconciling the heart and restoring peace and harmony. The inner harmony is like a calm lake on the water, reflecting the clarity and tranquility of the universe. Fear often comes from ignorance and persistence. When you are obsessed with the failure of the past or afraid of the uncertainty of the future, it is difficult to see other possibilities of life. Learning to love yourself is a relief, because it allows us to release our strict judgment of ourselves, so as to embrace more choices and freedom. Every current choice contains infinite potential. When you accept yourself bravely and treat yourself kindly, those possibilities begin to sprout. Cultivating trust in yourself from now on is to plant the seeds of happiness, and the future beauty will unfold from it. Every new possibility comes from the courage of the first step. When you are afraid, remember that the real obstacle is not the external dilemma, but the inner hesitation. Action is the starting point for all change. No matter how difficult the road is, as long as you take a step, the light will gradually appear. When faced with an unknown future, you may feel uneasy and even doubt whether you are competent. However, fear is just another form that has not yet been understood. When we re-examine difficulties with a wise perspective and regard them as an opportunity for learning and growth, fear will be transformed into hope and strength. When you choose to accept the past and focus on the possibilities in front of you, darkness will no longer be an obstacle, but a starting point to light. Every difficult moment is actually reminding us that the beauty of life comes from the inner light. All pain can be alleviated through observation and acceptance. When you choose not to escape and face the shadow of your heart, you will find that their roots are mostly misunderstandings and obsessions about yourself. Learn to reconcile with yourself and let the light illuminate every corner of your heart. Have you ever felt self-blame or even doubt your value for past failures? Choosing to transcend the past and focus on the action of the moment is the best way to move towards self-love and growth. Letting go is not an escape, but a choice not to let the past affect the peace of the present. Regarding the past as a problem rather than a shackle is the first step to love yourself. Let the past become nourishment and add nourishment to future life.